Everyone that I've spoken to has told me that there is a 301 view glitch. I don't know what that is, and I don't know what that means. I guess I don't get enough views to see that happen in 1 minute. I guess they say it happens within 1 minute after you've uploaded and you get 301 views. That's never going to happen to me. I know that from the start, and I know that forever. It's just not going to happen. Now, am I upset about it? No. I got enough of you. I got that one subscriber that I wanted. Sorry. I really wanted that one. It was a good push. I really appreciate you guys' hard work on that one. I'm honestly impressed. Now I can be happy that I am not sitting at that 49. Ugh, come on. I want to just pass this level. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I lived that. Tell the tale about the thing. Sorry. Oh my. I'm a good driver. Sorta. I flew through the ends of the earth for you. Oh my. I got hit with the train. I knew it was coming too. And I knew that was coming too. I'm gonna hit the train. I'm gonna get hit the train. I'm gonna get hit the train. Oh, I got hit by train. I'm gonna get hit by train. Yep. Gonna get hit by train. The bus. I'm gonna get hit by train. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Gonna get hit by train. They stopped. Come on, you're gonna get hit by train. Why? It said almost hit, and then it hit me. Gonna get hit by train. Oh my goodness, I just want to pass this level. Oh my goodness, come on, give me it. Oh my goodness, I got it. Yes. Oh, I'm done.